Okay guys, I did this question and I tried my best to understand how they end up with the answer. So I'll show you a way to do it. And if I'm wrong, you guys can correct me, but I will show you step by step how to do this. When there is an electron that is going to the E, and that's the AX direction, that's the speed where the electron goes through a point in space. The electric field that is going from same thing is on the X and on the Y, minus Y. Okay. And there is a magnetic field on the minus K direction. Okay, that's the magnetic field. So now we need to know what's the force of the electric field. So if you use your thumb or your right hand rule, we see the direction of the electric field goes to the right, and if the magnetic field going out of the page, then the electric field going down, or the force of the magnetic field going down. So the force of the electric field will be in both of the direction of X and Y. So if you come to this, if you use this equation, and that's the charge multiplied by the electric field plus the speed multiplied by the magnetic field, the force will be equal the charge of the, that's 1.6 times 10 minus 19. The electric field that we have, there is 2 times 10, 5 voltmeter, and that's on the X direction, on the E direction, minus 2 times 10, 5 on the minus Y direction, plus the speed, and that's 5 times 10, 6 on the E direction, plus, or my bad, times minus 0.1 on the Z direction, Tesla. So first we need to know what's the force of the electron on the X direction. We're just gonna multiply by the first, and that's 1.6 times 10 minus 19 multiplied by 2 times 10, 5 on the E direction, plus 5 times 10 times 6 on the E direction, multiplied by minus 0.1 on the K direction. So the force on the X direction will be equal to 2 exponent 5 plus 5 exponent 6 times 0.1 minus 0.1 equal multiplied by 1.6 was minus 19. If I'm not mistaken, that will be equal to minus 8.32 times 10 minus power of minus 14 Newton. That's for the first one. And for the first on the y direction, sorry, for the j direction will be equal to 1.6 times 10 minus 19 minus 2 times 10, 5 voltmeter on the j direction minus the speed, five times 10 power of 6 multiply by 0.1. And that's minus 2 exponent 5 minus 5 exponent 6 multiply by 0.1 multiply by 1.6 was minus 19. Alright, here is plus 2, okay, on that, minus 2 exponent 5 plus 5 exponent 6 multiply by 0.1 multiply by 1.6 was minus 19. So the force on the y direction equal minus 768 power of minus 14 Newton. I'm not sure if it's the right way to do it, but this is the way that I found how others did it. So I guess if anybody has another way to do it, let me know on the comments.